Hello travellers, today we're taking a look at the Evolution pants from Western Rise. These are advertised as a very lightweight yet durable and water resistant do-it-all travel pants. They're made from a high denier air textured nylon twill fabric comprised of 96% nylon and 4% elastane. At the moment they come in 6 colours and the one I have here is Shadow. The pants have a few very nice features that make it a joy to wear while out and about, especially while travelling. The first thing you notice is how large the coin pocket is on the pants. Western Rise calls this the media pocket because it's big enough to fit an iPhone 11. I usually found it most useful for storing my sunglasses, but I could also fit my front pocket wallet here. Speaking of wallets, there's a hidden zippered pocket on the back right pocket to keep your wallet a bit more safe. Personally, however, I only ever put my wallet in my front pocket, so I didn't really use this feature as much as some other people might. In terms of sizing, I initially tried the size 30, and as you can see here, it's really a bit too tight for me, especially in the thighs. This is it compared to the size 32, and the 32 feels a lot better through the thigh area, but quite a bit looser in the waist. So personally I will need to wear about with these ones. I usually wear a size 30 or 31, so I was quite surprised that I had to go up to a 32 with these pants. They are quite comfortable to wear during everyday activities, and even while hiking or cycling. The 4% stretch and gusseted crotch help make them feel very unrestricted. The lightweight fabric feels very nice to wear too, and doesn't make any kind of swishy sound while walking. The fabric has a kind of twill look which is quite similar to how regular jeans look, comparing to the Outlier slim dungarees, which are more of a gauze-like fabric. The Evolution pants are more lightweight than the slim dungarees, so I personally wouldn't suggest wearing them in winter climates. They're best suited to warmer climates, though you could probably wear them in the winter with some underlayers. The water resistance is quite good. As you can see here, the water mostly runs off the pants and doesn't soak in, especially below the knee. The water-resistant coating often wears off most quickly in the upper thigh area. You can see in the video that the water soaks in the upper thigh area slightly quicker because of this. Finally, the pricing is quite reasonable at $149 US, which is about 216 Australian. This puts them head to head with the Outlier Futureworks, which I reviewed here. You can click up in the top right to see that one. The Futureworks have slanted pockets, whereas the Evolution pants have jean-style pockets, which I personally much prefer. Overall, a really nice pair of pants, and I can see how they would be great for travel and everyday wear. And I would definitely suggest checking them out. So that's it, thanks very much for watching. Be sure to let me know in the comments what are your favourite travel pants, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up to date with future videos.